How to download Reddit on PC. Are you guys facing issues to download Reddit on your PC? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Reddit download for PC. Once you search for it, tap on the first option, Reddit free download and install on Windows, Microsoft Store. After you click on it, you can see the option for download button. Tap on it. As soon as you click on it, your app will start to download. So as you guys can see, it has been already downloaded on our device. Just open the file and hit the run button. Now click on get. So as you guys can see, Reddit has been installed on our device. Just simply tap open. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna download Reddit on our PC. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.